Hello everyone, it's my pleasure having you once again on this segment on newspaper review here in First Next News Port Harcourt. I am Kings Ojalo. I will be taking you through all our newspaper platforms within the country. Sit back, relax while I put you through. Now we'll be going to the first daily newspaper. On the first daily newspaper, boldly written, First Bank crosses 500 billion naira capital threshold ahead of CBN deadline. 2027 battle opens. Obi ex-running mates. Datti Baba Ahmed declares presidential ambition. We also have PDP moves recouncil Obi Atiku as 2027 calculation deepens. Peter Obi slams NNPC debt write-off, warns of looming FASCA collapse. Now we're going to the next newspaper platform, which is the Daily Monitor. On the Daily Monitor newspaper, boldly written, court orders interim forfeiture of 57 properties linked to Malami. Properties worth over 213 billion suspected to be proceeds of unlawful activities. Ex-AGF wife son admitted to 500 million naira bill each. Now going to the next newspaper platform, which is the Matrix newspaper. On the Matrix newspaper, review new tax laws now. NLC tells FG, citing Nigerian won't be taxed on bank savings under new law tax. You find that in page 3 of the Matrix newspaper. Boldly written, DSS planning to rearrest me, Malami. DSS planning to rearrest me. That is coming from Malami. Now we also have ICPC vows to continue ex-NMDPRA MD's probe despite withdrawal of petition by Dangote. You find that in page 2 of that newspaper platform. Now, moving to the next newspaper platform, which is the Punch newspaper. We have tax law, 5 trillion naira VAT made for state as new formula begins. You find that in page 2 of the Punch newspaper. On the top of the Punch newspaper, we have how I caught Nigeria labor unions links with KGB, CIA. That's coming from Obasanjo. Find that in page 19. We also have U.S. slams $15,000 visa bond on Nigerians' orders. You find that in page 38 of the Punch newspaper. We also have court orders forfeiture of 57 properties linked to Malami son. You find that in page 39 of the Punch newspaper. Moving ahead, we have the These Days newspaper. On This Day newspaper, boldly written, COAS stores terror ravage Niger as bandits attack Old National Park in Oyo. We also have U.S. demand visa bond for Nigerians national of 37 others country. Now, going further to the next newspaper platform, we have boldly written on the Leadership newspaper, Katsina government reveals reasons behind renewed bandit attack. You find that in page 4 of the Leadership newspaper. We also have tension as suspected Lassa fever patients escape from isolation center. You find that in page 20 of that newspaper platform. Moving to the Daily Trust. On the Daily Trust, boldly written, court orders AGF Malami's 57 asset forfeiture. Now going to the top, why Obi may not get ADC presidential ticket. That is coming for Datti Baba Ahmed. We also have days after nurse's murder, lawyer killed in Abuja. We also have Dangote withdraws petitions against NMPRA boss from ICPC. Now we will be moving to the Blueprint newspaper. On the Blueprint newspaper, boldly written, court orders ex-AGF Malami to forfeit 57 choice property worth 213 billion naira. On the top of that newspaper platform, Idris suspects aid for linking him to 2027 Niger governorship contest. We also have in page 19, Naira records first gain in 13 years, stands at 1,419 naira in 2025. Now going to sport, AFCON ahead, Marrakesh clash, ex-Eagle strike over unpaid bonuses. Now moving to the next newspaper platform, which is the Daily Sun. On the Daily Sun newspaper, NLC cries out over new tax policy. You find that in page 6. Now we also have Obi article order ADC chieftains disgruntled politicians. That's coming from Datti. You find that in page 6 of the Daily Sun newspaper. Now moving to the Vanguard newspaper. On the Vanguard newspaper, boldly written, 2027 PDP faction to hold talks with Obi article. You find that in page 5 of the Vanguard newspaper. Now on the top of the Vanguard newspaper, Obi is surest bet for ADC. That is coming from Onwodu in page 11. Also on that newspaper platform, heavy tax, low wage, rising debt, threat to nation stability. That is coming from NLC. Find that in page 8. 2027, Obi ex-running mate, Baba Ahmed declares presidential ambition. You find that in page 8 of that newspaper platform. Now, let's move to the Guardian newspaper. On the Guardian newspaper, we have 19 months after governors deploy gaps in constitution, reset LG autonomy. Now, looking at the top, Malami court grants interim forfeiture of 57 properties worth 213.2 billion naira. We also have FG Nance disagree on abandoned students in Morocco. You find that in page 4 of that newspaper platform. That is all we have on this segment on newspaper review. Thanks for being with us. I am Kings Ojalo. It's a bye for now.